Wow! This park is so beautiful. It has tall green trees, lush green fields and beautiful flowers all of different colors. Look! A stream is flowing through the center of the park, and ducks and swans are busy swimming in it. The ducks are swimming effortlessly in the water, occasionally putting their heads in the water, catching something and eating it. See how easy it is for them to swim. Do you wish you could swim like that? Look at that duck that has come out of the water. Look how it is shaking its wings. Look at its feet. It's quite dry, as if it was never in the water at all. Why don't the duck's wings soak up in the water? Look at that duck. Look at it flying off. If its wings were still wet, it would not be able to fly like that. You should think about the things you see, and whenever you see something you don't understand, you should ask someone who does, so that your knowledge increases. The reason the duck's wings don't get wet by water is because they are oily. If the duck's wings were not oily, they would become wet and heavy, and the ducks would not be able to swim in the water or fly in the air. Allah, the all-knowing and kind who created all things, was thinking of the duck. Allah created the duck to swim in water, so He created it in a way that its wings were always oily, so it could swim in the water and fly in the air with ease.